Welcome back to Learn Haitian Creole. In today's video, we'll be going over directions. So we'll cover how to ask and how to give directions. Left is Gòch or Goch. That's left. But most of the time people will use Gòch, not Goch. Right is Dwat or Adwat, but you would probably want to use Adwat when you're giving directions. Dwat or Adwat. Straight is Dwat. Straight is Dwat. Turn is Vire. Vire. So if you want to say turn right, you would say Vire Adwat. Vire. Turn around is Vire Tounen. So it's like you turn and then you turn around. Vire Tounen. Blòk is Blòk. Blòk. Blòk is Blòk. Street is Lari or Ri. Lari or Ri. And remember, Ri also means laugh. What number is Ki Nimewo? Nimewo is number. Ki is what makes it a question. Ki Nimewo. Address is Adres. 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 Where is Kibo or Kikote? Kibo or Kikote. If you want to ask if someone knows something, you would ask Est-ce que vous connaissez? Or you can say Est-ce que vous connaissez? The con is short for connaît. Est-ce que vous connaissez or Est-ce que vous connaissez? So if you want to know if someone knows where you can find something, you would say Ou connaît kote m ka jwenn? Or you can just ask Ou kon kote m ka jwenn? Replace connaît with con. So if you wanted to know where an address is located, you would ask Ou kon kote adres sa e? For short. Or you can say everything and say Ou connaît ki kote adres sa e? If you want to say excuse me, like when you approach someone, you say excuse me, you would say excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. So if you want to ask how do you get somewhere or how do you find a location, you would say Ki jam ka jwenn. Like how do I find? Ki jam ka jwenn. I'm looking for is map cherche or map chache. Depends on who's speaking. They both work. Map cherche or map chache. Turn right is Vire Adwat. Vire is turn. Adwat, right. Turn right. Vire Adwat. Turn left is Vire à gauche or Vire à gauche. Most people will say Vire à gauche. Go straight. So if you want to tell somebody to go straight, you would say Allez tout droit. Tout droit is like just go straight. Allez tout droit. Continue is continuer. Continue is continuer. So if you want to say continue straight, you would say continuer tout droit. Continue. So if you're giving directions and you want to say how many blocks, you would say, so for example, in this case, if you want to say walk 3 blocks, you would say marcher 3 blocs. Marcher 3 blocs. So if you wanted to say turn on this street, you would say vire nan rue sa. Rue is the street, it's the road. Vire nan rue sa. Remember, rue also means laugh. So if you wanted to say it's this way, so whatever they're looking for, it's this way, you say c'est bord ici. Or you just say c'est bon ici. You don't have to add the T. So if someone's asking you for directions and they've already passed it, you would say ou dépassel. Ou dépassel. The L, which is li, represent the it. Ou dépassel. If you want to say it's over there, then you would say li lot boa. It's over there. It's on the other side. Li lot boa. Okay, so let's practice asking and giving directions. Excuse me, sir, I'm looking for the embassy. Excuse me, monsieur, map chercher ambassade la, or map chercher ambassade la. So he doesn't know the answer. He doesn't know where the embassy is, and he says, no, I don't know. So he would say, non, m'pa connais. Non, m'pa connais. So in this case, he knows the answer and it's not very far. So he would say oui, which is yes. Li pa loin la. The la is here, whatever location they're at. Li pa loin la. So in this case, he knows where it is, but it's far. So he would say oui, mais li loin. Yes, but it's far. Oui, mais li loin. He knows where it is, but it's very far. It's not just far, it's very far. So it's oui, mais li bien loin. Bien loin, it's like it's very far. Bien loin. So now you have to make a left and a right to get to your location. So it's faire à gauche, make a left. Après ça, which is after that, faire à droite, make a right. Go straight down this street, which is aller tout droit, that's go straight. Narisa, it's like on this road, down this road. Aller tout droit, narisa. Make a left under the light is faire à gauche, which is make a left. En bas is under, lumière is light. Faire à gauche, en bas lumière. Make a U-turn and go straight. So in this case we say Vire Tounen, which is like turn around, or we say Casse-tête Tounen. So casse-tête really means break head. Casse is to break, head is tête. But in this case, casse-tête Tounen is to turn around. Et puis aller tout droit is and then go straight. So if you want to say it's here or it's right here, you would say lila, lila. It's over there is lilot boa, lilot boa. So if you wanted to say, you really can't miss it, you would say upakapawel. Where is to see? It's like you will see it. You have to see it. You can't miss it. Upakapawel. So if you want to say when you see this sign or when you see that sign, you would say lewesila. Lewesila. It means you're there. You have arrived is arrivé. It's like you're there. You made it. Arrivé. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm hoping you were able to add new words to your vocabulary. And I really hope you are now able to both ask and give directions in Creole.